Are you? Come on now, don't leave me hanging. Don't let me be alone on this one. He calls me in the middle of the night because he says he's thinking about me. When you know it's just cause the nigga's horny, right? I ain't heard from him in 2 weeks. 2 weeks ain't nobody that busy. Not no one that really cares anyhow. And yeah, I got all the usual excuses. Up to 2 weeks ago when last I saw him on the bus, I knew something was up. He kissed me goodbye and said like, I'll see you later. And so here we are. 2 weeks later. My friend Trini was on the bus with me. She rolled her eyes and he was like, there ought to be a law against it. And there should be. But they ain't. They ain't. So 2 weeks later, on at 2 a.m. in the morning, he thinking about me. I've been thinking about him 24/7 since the day we met. I am a fool. The nigga has 3 phones, y'all. 3 phones. People, one is for work, one is for personal, and the other one is for private. Please, what is the fucking difference? I said, Miguel, call a spade a spade. The one for work, yeah, I give you that. But the other 2, one is for your wife to reach you, and the other one is for your boys, including me, to reach you. And depending on your mood, you don't even answer that neither. That's trifling. It gets me mad because I just want to know, I just want you to define what we have. If we just boys, then that's cool. If we just fucking, that's cool too. But don't whisper to me, baby, I love you like no other. Answer the motherfucking phone when I call you, okay? Don't be giving me that shit. And this ain't no bunny boiler hysterics neither. I know I have the right to know. What we do, what we share with our bodies gives me the right. So I know that you hate labels and I do too, but define this motherfucker. Define us. Thank you.
Brought to you by Icon.